I'm Dee, your local Leggett agent on the Côte d'Azur. Today I would like to present this magnificent property on the west side of the Cap d'Antibes. The location is just perfect, nestled in the greenery of a peaceful residential neighbourhood and minutes walk to the beach. Port Galice and the town centre are all within easy walking distance. The south-facing property is set on almost 1,000 metres squared of land and has a heated saltwater swimming pool, a summer kitchen and an independent fitness room to the back of the house. You'll be charmed by the generous volumes and the high ceilings. So let's take a look inside at what this stunning villa has to offer. The villa was built in the late 1950s and renovated in 2003 by the architect Albertini. It offers 280 metres squared of living space with 5 generously sized bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like any further information on this villa, please do not hesitate to contact Leggett Immobilier or click on the link below. Thank you.